Good morning. It's a pleasure to meet you again at this conference. I greatly admire your dedication to developing innovative educational solutions.
Thank you very much, Professor Bipl. I also really appreciate this opportunity. I have learned a lot about Vintage University and the digital projects you are leading. It feels very exciting because your university emphasizes the integration of technology in the classroom, especially with a focus on enhancing digital activities.
Yes, that's true. However, we are facing several obstacles, especially regarding the limited time of the lectures to create digital content, and also technical issues in the system that we are currently using.
Indeed, such situations often arise in many educational institutions when striving for digital transformation. I'm curious, how does your team manage the workload of lectures related to the preparation of digital content? Does this affect the quality of learning or even the accreditation that you are striving for?
Exactly. Due to this limitation, the quality of teaching materials is sometimes not optimal, and we are aware that this can affect the ranking and accreditation of the university.
I can imagine how important this is for the academic reputation of your university. Regarding the technical issues you mentioned, do you feel that the current system limits the development or adaptation of new content? How does this affect the learning and evaluation process?
Yes, technical difficulties has hindered us quite a bit. The server often has problems and doesn't support flexible integration, making it difficult for us to manage teaching materials and interaction with students.
From what I hear, you certainly need a solution that not only assesses lectures and creating content efficiently, but also a reliable system to support learning activities and help meet accreditation standards. Do you envision a platform that can achieve this while also enhancing student engagement?
That's how it really should be.
Our Make Grow Health Connect is specifically designed to support technology integration in the classroom, such as at Vintage University. This platform provides intuitive and ready-to-use content creation tools, allowing instruction to save time in preparing material. Additionally, our system is based on a stable cloud that is easy to integrate with the university element, supporting the accreditation process with comprehensive reports and analytics. This greatly helps improve students' learning experience and instruction effectiveness.
Sounds good, but I'm worried about the implementation cost, which might be quite high for our university budget. Moreover, we already have issues with unstable server, so I'm afraid it might complicate things even more.
I understand, Professor. The cost is indeed an important consideration. However, we have several flexible package options according to the university's need and budget. For example, you can choose the most prioritized module to be implemented first, so the cost can be more manageable.
However, I'm still worried that additional costs might balloon later on, especially if I have to upgrade hardware or pay for extra support.
That's a very reasonable concern. We actually want to help universities minimize unexpected costs with our cloud system that reduce the need for on-premise hardware and server maintenance. Therefore, the aspect of maintenance and upgrade costs can be significantly minimized.
I also question whether the cloud server can really replace our local server because there have often been connection issues and disruptions.
Our platform is supported by a high standards global cloud network designed to ensure stable uptime and optimal access speed. We also provide technical support to address any issues quickly, ensuring that the teaching and learning activities are not disrupted.
If that's the case, what about training for the lecturers? I know many of them are not very familiar with this technology, and we cannot expect them to adapt quickly.
That's an important point too, Professor. We provide live training session and online learning modules that can be accessed at any time. Our team will accompany the adaptation process and is ready to assist the lecture so they can make the most of this platform without burning their time.
Okay, this is starting to make sense to me, but I still want to see how this platform will operate under real condition at our university.
Certainly, we are very open to arrange special demo session and a trial period so that you and your team can directly evaluate the benefit and ease of use of Micro Health Connect. We are ready to adjust all needs so that a solution truly helps accelerate the progress of your university.
Alright, I'm interested in continuing this discussion further. Thank you for explanation and solution you have provided.
Thank you very much, Professor. I will contact you soon to arrange a follow-up meeting and demo. I believe this could be the start of a successful collaboration.
Berikut penilaian untuk dialog pertemuan penjualan pertama ini. Yang pertama, hubungan dan profesionalisme. Nah, dialog ini dibuka dengan ramah tadi dan sopan. Dua-duanya saling ngobrol santai tapi tetap profesional. Terus juga ada saling rasa menghargai. Jadi suasananya hangat dan nyaman. Tuh. Yang kedua ada pertanyaan spin. Nah, sellernya itu ngasih pertanyaan lengkap mulai dari nanya situasi sekarang, masalah yang ada, dampaknya, sampai solusi yang diharapkan sama profesor. Contohnya tadi nanya soal beban kerja dosen, pengaruh ke kualitas pembelajaran, dan harapan buat platform yang bisa bantu. Nah, cara ini pas banget buat gali kebutuhannya si profesor tadi. Baru presentasi produk. Si seller ini tadi ngejelasin MC Grow Heal Connect dengan jelas, ngebahas fitur-fiturnya, kelebihannya, dan manfaatnya langsung yang sesuai dengan masalah dan kebutuhan si profesornya tadi. Jadi nggak cuma basa-basi aja, tapi juga pas dengan sasarannya. Tuh. Terus yang keempat ada penanganan keberatan. Tadi pas profesornya ngomong soal biaya, server yang nggak stabil, dan kekhawatiran soal upgrade, si seller meyakinkan dan kasih solusi yang realistis, kayak paket fleksibel, sistem cloud yang stabil, dan pelatihan buat dosen. Jadi keberatannya nggak cuma didengarin, tapi juga ditanggapi dengan serius oleh sellernya tadi. Terus yang terakhir pas penutupan, sellernya nutup dengan berpembicaraan yang baik, dengan tawarin demo dan trial supaya profesor dan tim bisa coba langsung. Nah, profesor juga nunjukin ketertarikannya. Jadi penutupannya tuh natural dan positif banget gitu. Yang terakhir, realisme dan alur keseluruhannya. Jujur dialog